What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can send money with Taptap Send. Feel free to use my referral link in the description of this video to support my channel. When you do, you get $10 off your first transfer. So you can go ahead and create an account. You can choose to sign up or sign in with your Google account or your Apple ID. So I'm going to continue with Google. Continue to Google to sign in. Select your preferred Google account and then select continue. Enter your first and last name to continue. Enter your mobile phone number and then select next. Here you can choose to set up biometrics. I'm going to say not now. Do you want to receive notifications on your transfer? You can choose to enable it or skip. Do you want Taptap Send to track activities across your apps? Right, select what best applies. So here I'm going to select ask app not to track. Then from the drop down, search for the country that you want to transfer money to. So here I'm going to select Jamaica. Specify the amount of money that you want to send. Let's say $100. It shows how much recipient will receive. Then select next. Here you're going to add your recipient. So select add new recipient. So for the delivery method, you can choose between a bank deposit or a cash pickup. So let's say cash pickup. Now for the cash pickup, you can only pick up money at VM money transfer services. Now if this option is not close to a recipient, then it may be best that you select a bank account. So let's provide the recipient's name and specify a phone number and then select next. Here you're going to provide the recipient's address and then select next. Here you're going to provide your address or you can enter it manually, then select next. Here you're going to select your payment method, whether it be a debit or credit card. So I'm just going to select Apple Pay. So here I'm just going to provide my date of birth and then select next. So once I go ahead and select pay here, the money will be sent and will be available for pickup within a few minutes. However, I do not want to make a transfer at this point in time. I just wanted to share with you how you could achieve this. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.